Yo, what's up? This is JRE from JREKML. What was that? I hear happiness. Of all the B.A.P fangirls. Don't you hear it? Don't you? Whoa! Yo! Oh my gosh. It seems like all the fangirls that just watched that MV are pregnant. How can this be? Well, it's B.A.P. Play my intro. Yo, what's up? I've just done a lot of reactions, and this is gonna be the last one for tonight. It's pretty late, but it's B.A.P. and B.A.P. do what I do. So B.A.P. coming out with a new MV called Hurricane. People are like crazy on to the Twitter, Facebook. It's crazy. So I have to do this. I had to make it epic. B.A.P. Hurricane, all them fangirls, be crazy, them babies though. So let's go. Vegas, 12. Oh, that beat though. It reminds me of Touch It, Bring It, Babe, Watch It. Oh, slick. What? Yo, this is dope. Shining star. Get it. Yes! Dope! This is what I want from K-pop in this year. And B.A.P just gave it to me. Hard. Pause. Oh damn, I thought it was gonna break down. Yo, he looking serious. My hair's all messed up. Bang Young Gook. What? Yo, Zello's hair! It's like a lamb, a sheep that I wanna like touch. I just can't stop. Nah. Oh snap! That hat. This is dope. This is what I've been waiting for. That hat is so dope. And it says dope.
The water's mine till we will shine.
Oh! What? Zello?
Turn it up now, burn it up now. But the mic ain't shout out to you now. Turn it up now, burn it up now.
Oh, I just had to slap myself. Is this real? Yes! Hurricane! I don't care about my freaking hat hair. Oh my god, guys. To be honest, Can I share something with y'all? Can I share something with y'all? With my messed up hair. This year in K-pop has been disappointing, to be honest. It doesn't have that expectation like it used to do last year. And thank you, B.A.P, for bringing that. A little bit of everything, dancing, that hardness, pause, that singing, the location. Even though it did remind me of the set of Big Bang's Tonight, since they did use Las Vegas as well, in a little circle. I'm just saying, okay, don't get mad, babies, don't get mad. But you gotta admit, there were some scenes in Tonight, like they were in the desert in a circle. Different song though. This was more hyped up and I loved it. I felt like I was in a hurricane, yo. I got so pumped up, you don't understand. Whew. And I'm gonna get that dope hat, no doubt. Oh my god, B.A.P, man. You made my night. I am sweaty. I am, oh man, that was dope. That was freaking dope. I'm done. B.A.P killed this year. I think that was, I liked it. I don't care what everybody else will say. It's like, nah, this and that, nah, this was really dope. My hat hair, let me see how I look. Oh my god, my hat hair is crazy. But I'm hot right now. I'm tired. I can't sleep right now because after that ish. Good night, guys. This was B.A.P. I mean, I can't even think. This is JRE from JREKML. And I'm about to get changed. I'm sweating from dancing a little bit with all these hot lights. B.A.P killed it. I loved it. I can't wait to see the live. Man, I'm gonna get that hat too. Yo, that was dope, wasn't it? I'm JRE from JREKML. Love all you sexy, beautiful people, dreamers, caramels. Also, follow me on Twitter. Everyone that's watching, follow me on Twitter. Then you'll know when I'm gonna upload things. Because it gets kind of annoying when you just comment, watch this and watch that. Just go on my Twitter and tell me on Twitter. It'll be better that way. But at JREKML is my Twitter. Go follow me. Love you guys. Mwah. I just kissed the camera for no damn reason because I'm in a good mood. Mwah.